Però sembra con filo.
Take one with the wire.
Quello tutto qua.
That is on a Bluetooth.
Maybe the one with music I want to do.
Very simple.
Questo l'abbiamo qua.
So, now white you need a bit black.
Give
Spectre.
me white, give me white, give me
Okay,
white.
rub them in the corner.
No, no, Richard, meet my plate. Listen, this na me one pay. Now you want pay, okay? I'll buy carrots.
It's a carrot here.
What this one?
One pack no go reach.
You go reach me now. One pack I want to. Okay. You get it? Nobody dread.
That is one. And this one,
No,
the forge head.
no,
Get
Polly.
rid of the forge. Keep that now, like. You don't conquer. You don't mean. Don't put dread now. Go Nigeria.
Wait,
One of them will shock.
wait, what? Now your children, I go first start with the laugh.
Get this one for
So guys, we are at a barber shop. Obi wants to barb his hair. Amma, yes.
I say, you medicine or come back.
Ah, you're tired for that boy. I don't tire.
Money, I don't money, don't do that.
You never, and you not used to their workers. It's money. If they just go drop children, you just go drop you for school. They'll move.
She wakes before the sun. Whispers thanks for one more day. Coffee cup and open Bible, tears of joy along the page. Every fear she thought would drown her lays like shadows at his feet. In the quiet she remembers love that never misses a beat. Jesus loves, she weak, called her by her name, held her through the fire,
Hey guys, my meat pie is ready. My meat pie. This is Zana's own. I made this one for Zana, the remaining one. So this is it. It was more than this. We've eaten from it already. So you can see how fresh, how fresh and yummy it is. So yummy. See how good it is. Looking beautiful. My meat pie is looking beautiful. Hey people. Good morning guys. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. Guys, my husband is in the kitchen cooking. Let me show you guys our delicacy for today. My husband man is cooking. Wow. See my man. Voila. Voila. Oh. Ooh, hey. This is zucchini, broccoli, carrots soup. Did they drink this one like this, Nashi?
If you drink on the road, if you now they like them, but if you use and eat rice,
Okay.
use them for rice or potato.
This is good. Guys, this is looking so good though.
Notice I cook many. So
It's good for the weather now.
It's good for the weather. So that I don't have to eat oil.
I don't understand. So now, oh yeah, and I mean,
I don't carry that container for you.
so now I don't understand now. So me now oil cooking, I be now which one? Eh? It's good. Okay.
Give
Me, they say now oil, like they give them chop. Say they don't want chop oil anymore. They say they don't want to eat oil anymore. It's good though. See Zana. See Zamama. See the weather is so sunny. Zamama, come. Let them see you very well. Come, Mama, come. Come, Mama, come. Zamama, come. Hey, Mama, come and see. Come and see. Come. Guys, we just woke up. We've not done anything. Let me show you guys your baby girl. See our baby girl, oh. Our baby girl. Mama, come. Say hello, guys. Hello. See our baby girl. So, guys, it's been long we did video. So Greatness is now using glasses. See Greatness with her glasses. Ignore whatever is it in that kitchen. Greatness, want to say hello? Hello. She's looking cute with her glasses. So she's now using glasses. Why? Our star of the day. I beg, guys, enjoy. Ignore. Our star of the day. It looks good talking to you guys. So many people will say, where have you been? Where have you been? It's been long. Oh my God, oh guys, it feels strange. Vlogging, picking up my camera to vlog, it looks strange. But we give God all the glory. So Zana will be 1 year next month. She's 11 months already. She'll be 1 year next month. And she know one waka. Please, people should tell this girl to please walk. Let her walk. And make her start walking. She should walk. She should walk. But my girl is taking her time. You want sweet bread? Take. My girl is taking her time. So, guys, I'm going to sit down one day. I'm going to see, guys, see the sun. It's sunning. My skin is skinning. You know the truth, don't worry. Zana, Mama, okay, so guys, my skin is skinning. My skin is popping. So guys, one day I'm going to sit down and talk to you guys. Heart to heart. So many things have happened for this past few months. So many good things has really happened. And I'm going to sit down and do a sit down video and start giving you guys details of the juicy things that have happened for this past few months, that I've not spoken with you guys, that I've not picked up my phone to talk. So many things have been happening in the background, but notwithstanding, hope you guys are doing great. So drop in the comment section how you have been doing. If you miss me, say I miss you. If you don't miss me, talk and say you don't miss me on our engagement. On our engagement. So today I've showed you guys everything. Now Hobby decided to do the cooking for me today, so I'm relaxing because my head all full. My head full. This head full. The head carry. So I'll talk to you guys later. I don't talk. We will talk later.
She wakes before the sunrise, whispers thanks for one more day. Coffee cup and open Bible, tears of joy along the page. Every fear she thought would drown her lays like shadows at his feet. In the quiet she remembers love that never misses me. Jesus loves sin, we called her by her name, held her through the fire, walked her through the rain. Every breath is story, every scar redeemed. Jesus loves sin more than she can dream.
So I've freshened up, guys. My face is looking so bright. No, I don't like it. Don't like it here. Okay. I forgot to use lip gloss. I've used lip gloss on my lips. So I freshened up. So it's time to do our early morning show. My nerd baby, our nerd.
I'm not a nerd.
You're not a nerd. She's not a nerd. Oh God. So let's start our day. Okay? It's time to start our day. Guys, this is my own 7. This is it too. Let me give you the first bite. Let's do the first bite. Let me take ground it. So guys, this is it. So I'm stepping it with my mouth. I'm not supposed to stay like this because of the sun. Since I will have to turn this way. Come in. This is lovely. So lovely, guys. So lovely. Obi has done himself.
Okay, that one.
First time he made something Italian and the kids love it.
Taiwan. This food now for Taiwan.
Taiwan. You could eat Chinese people not doing this kind of food soup. That's why.
What is that one? And the soup, guys, you can drink it. Only when I deliver, why not cook some for me? If I also want to celebrate
Next month, I'll go service this calculation. Now next month.
you. Go to black.
Wow.
Oh, that's not what I'm not the driver, I'm not the driver. So that's one.
But you will just tell them, Mom, that someone go.
It's rich.
And you go shop. That's the matter. They're not making that they like it.
Guys, have you guys noticed that if you cook, you don't enjoy it compared to when another person cook for you. Even if the food is not sweet, you will say it's sweet, yeah?
Just to have the taste.
Just to like help the person, so that tomorrow the person will still go in again and cook. You know, if you see,
Yeah,
let me
you
give
know.
you guys one trick. If you want somebody to be helping you to cook sometimes, even if the food is not sweet, hype it. Kitchen tips 101. Kitchen tips 101. Even if you're not, you know it's not sweet, pretend so that tomorrow they will go again. But if you just and see anything in your mouth, you will not see them in the kitchen again tomorrow. So I just giving you one tip. But for this one, I'll be truthful. It's nice. It's nice. At times there are things my husband will prepare and it's out of this world. While there are things he will prepare, it's inside this world. My son, if you want to know that what you prepared is good, through my son, not Amanda. Amanda can eat anything. Anything. So far it's food, so far it's eatable. Amanda can eat it. But if you want to know what is sweet and what is not sweet, if my son tell you, this one don't make sense, don't say don't make sense. But if my son hype you, just know that thing you prepared at that moment is good. So he just needs praising his father. He thought I was the one that prepared it. But he said, this is nice. Mommy, you know how to cook. When I told him I'm not the one that prepared it, it's his father. He was so shocked. So you have this one, then you have yourself with it. It's nice. Thank you.
But maybe you can do one on your wedding anniversary. I know that's a lot of money. I think Mommy,
That was
you
it.
can do it.
William,
Yeah,
sorry.
I'm not eating this.
So thank you guys for eating with me. Bye bye.